next homework for the week, which is on February 20th, is again practicing partitioning a number line, and then, excuse me, also writing a matching number bond, drawing a matching number bond. If you notice, the first thing I did was circle the denominator because this is telling me my fractional unit, or the total number of parts. So I know that I need 6 parts, so I'm going to draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know that I label my denominator, and then I count on from 0, and it says to circle 3, 6, so I find 3, 6, and I circle. Now, the students at this point don't need to label all of the tick marks if they feel as though they can just label the fraction that is supposed to be plotted. So now I match it, so I see 3, 6 is one part. I know that my numerators have to equal 6, so the missing part must be 3, 6. Or I could count 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need to find 2/5, so I simply count. I know I need my 0/5 and my 5/5, but now I'm going to count 0/5, 1/5, 2/5. I label, and I'm done. On the back, we have 3 review questions. Mr. Marshall poured 30 cups of water into 5 bottles. Each bottle contains the same amount of water. How many cups of water are in each bottle? It says use an equation to show or explain how you found your answer. So we must have an equation. If I'm missing the number of cups, that means I'm missing the groups. And if I'm missing the groups, I know that I would need to divide because I'm not missing the total. When I solve it, I would get C as 6, and I would write a complete word sentence. I'm noticing that a lot of the children are bringing in work that looks like this for a word problem. We're trying to get in the habit of making sure we have a number sentence with a letter and a complete word sentence, because on the test at the end of 3rd grade, they would not get full credit if they simply had this or they simply had an answer. Miss Mayer mixed 30 ounces of crackers and 15 ounces of cookies to make a snack. Freeze. She divided the snack equally among 9 children. How many ounces of snack did each child get? Again, I'm missing the size. I don't know how many ounces each child got. So the first thing I need to do is I have 2 different kinds of snacks, so I need to add those together. Then I'm going to divide by 9, and I'll figure out how many ounces each child gets. Again, complete word sentence, making sure that we have one equation with parentheses, and then we can solve.